Opisyal nang ipinakilala si Tony Tan bilang bagong head coach ng men's basketball program ng San Sebastian Recoletos Golden Stags. Yan ang sentro ng balita ni teammate JB Junio.
Formal nang ipinakilala ng San Sebastian Recoletos ang Filipino-Canadian na si Tony Tan bilang bagong head coach ng Golden Stags matapos isagawa ang Memorandum of Agreement signing kahapon. Si Tan ay isang veteranong coach mula sa United Prep Canada na may malawak na karanasan sa collegiate at player development programs. Kilala siya sa kanyang structured system, matibay na defensive philosophy at kakayahang mag-develop ng mga young athletes. Ayon kay Tan, hard work at sacrifice ang nakikita niyang short-term at long-term goals para sa koponan.
Short-term, hard work. Long-term, sacrifice. Sacrifice means it could be lots of morning, and then sacrifice, lot of hard work. Sacrifice things that not normally every day. We most likely will implement the stuff that what we do overseas, and you will be a result. And with my coach's help and their experience, that will make a difference on the program. And as you see, these guys have a lot of experience, and it's not just about me. It's about a team of coaches that understanding that where we belong. Hoping that we I don't make any promise, but I guarantee you it will be our intent.
Aabangan naman ang kanilang pagbawi sa paparating na NCAA Season 102 ngayong taon matapos ang kanilang naging mabigat na performance noong nakaraang season. Ibinahagi din ng Filipino-Canadian head coach na excited siyang maituloy ang tradisyon at legasiya ng Golden Stags para sa mga darating na laban.
I've been blessed. I'm excited. We gotta keep the tradition of San Sebastian. I wanted to keep continue and to meet that requirement. And I'm very, very excited and be blessed to be here.
Ayon sa pamunuan ng SSCR, inaasahang magdadala si Tan ng panibagong direksyon sa programa ng Golden Stags lalo na sa aspeto ng player development at long-term competitiveness ng koponan.
Sa akin si Tony Tan, of course, with his wife, Ami, and also we're also grateful kay Sir Edward coming here to bring us not only new faces in San Sebastian, but new level of competitiveness.
Dahil dito, inaasahan na agad na sisimulan ni Tan ang paghahanda ng koponan para sa mga susunod na torneo at darating na season. JB Junio para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.